Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my dearest friend. May the Lord God bless you always. Stay healthy, beautiful inside and out. And I wish you all the best in the whole world.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Enjoy your Nata Day. You have only one life. Enjoy it. Embrace who you are. You are a good person. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jocelyn! May the God bless you.
Happy birthday. Here's Mama. She's sewing a clothes. Anything that she can sell. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Enjoy your day.
Love you.
Love